Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to tell if someone blocked you on Discord. The easiest way to check if someone blocked you is to send them a private message. Usually, if you can send them a message, they haven't blocked you and you can breathe a sigh of relief. However, you'll know right away that you're blocked when you access your chat logs with said person. Clyde, Discord's official bot, will appear and show you an error message. He'd say that your message couldn't be delivered due to someone of these reasons. You don't share servers with the recipient. You disable direct message on the shared servers you're both in. The recipient will only accept message from friends. Clyde will also include a link to a complete list of possible reasons you're blocked. However, he won't tell you why you can't send message to the person. That said, if you were recently talking to this person and now can't send any messages to them, you were likely blocked at some point. Another way to find out if you added the person as a friend is to check your friend list. If they disappeared from it, that is another sign that they probably block you. Another way is message them. Go to the menu and find friends. From here, select add friend, type in the person Discord username, and click send friend request. If your account is blocked, it won't go through. That's another surefire sign to check. Alternatively, if you know the person shares a server with you, you can pull up their profile and click add friend from there as well. This method is less cumbersome. And the last option, use Discord message reactions. You don't have to type out a long-winded message before finding out it was all for nothing. You can react to another user's message with an emote on Discord. If you think that you were blocked, try reacting to one of their messages on a server you both share. The emote will appear if they haven't blocked you. However, on mobile users have a more distinct sign. They'll get an alert with this reaction block on it. This moment is when you'll know someone has blocked you. Given Discord's design, you can use their message reaction to determine if someone blocked you. Click on the reaction icon, then click an emoji. Now react to their message and see if it appears. If it does, then you haven't been blocked by them. And that's all. There's nothing you can do about it since your current account has no way to reach out to the other user. You can make a new Discord account and contact them, but you can't contact them if they don't allow messages from non-friends. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.